Hi, my name's Craig and today we're going to show you the video loop which is on eBay. We're going to talk you through the specification, some of the mountings, the fixtures and fittings, and hopefully at the end show you some of the footage that comes off this. The ring is made of aluminium. It's welded here and here across this centre bar. There's a single fixing point here in the centre for your camera. The stub shaft, that's made of aluminium with a stainless steel thread here for mounting on. The ring diameter, that's 475mm. The crossbar is 400mm and the weight is 0.65 of a kilo. The fit on the stub shaft is a quarter fit. That's a standard camera fitting. I'm next going to run you through the fitting for the video camera. There's two main methods for this. The first is direct fit through there, and the second is using a quick release plate. Okay, this is the unit fitted up with the Camcorder quick release plate. The unit doesn't come with any quick release plate. You'll have to supply these yourself. So that's the camera fitted up with a quick release plate for the Coleman. Now I'm going to demonstrate using a Manfrotto 577 plate. There you go, your camera's in, lock it in position and you're ready to go. Alright, if you wish to fit a sound mic then that's no problem. Manfrotto do quite a good one. The sound mic doesn't come with this unit, but you might want to buy it as an additional extra down the old photographic shop. What some people like to do is they like to fit their zoom adapter on here. That's what we've done. It just allows you to pan in and out, start and stop recording quite comfortably as you're using the unit. I've just velcroed this round with some little bits of velcro, black velcro, and that's the cheapest and easiest way to do it. It's quite effective really. So this is the video loop and this is the footage which is coming off it. And you can see what I really like about this is it allows you to pan in and out, and it really does keep it smooth. There you go, my ugly face on there.